Hey, good afternoon. This is Bob for Trade Genius, the 30th of May again. This is end of day update. I just want to walk you through what I think's about to happen here. So, yesterday I said, please, please, please do not short this plunge. It hit the downtrend line. It hit the bottom of my 1 month magic channel. If you go to the 5-minute here. I can find it. Here it is. Okay, it hit the top of my 5-minute channel just about and rolled over. Couldn't even make it. And it got hit on the point of control in the 5-minute. Look at this. Okay, point of control. Okay, it ran right up to the most volume on the 5-minute, which is basically a 1 week look back. And then here you go out to my 2 hour, which is basically a 1 month look back. Got stalled on the point of control again. So I think they ran it up to some sort of stasis here. Now, you know, if they pushed it up to here, it would definitely be a good short. But I think what's happening here is you got a shoulder here forming. We got a head. And my speculation is that we'll come down, probably tag this line overnight. It'll probably like around there. Maybe we may come down tomorrow around 27.10, 27.11 and come back up. And then we're in position for a run to even potentially all the way up to 28.12 here before the Fed meeting in June. Just pure speculation. I take this a day at a time, but definitely this was a big stick save, and I think they're going to run it. So we're coming up to the end of the quarter, and I think people are going to try to window dress this thing. And my understanding is there's quantitative tightening tomorrow, and very little in June. I think only to the end of the month. So quite possible we get a big run here. And then the other thing that happened, if you look at with gold here, and I'll get to that in a second, is that they it really dropped the expectation for December rates, because I think they're already seeing that the rest of the world can't absorb the dollar strength. That's why I always laugh at people saying, oh, the dollar this, the dollar that. Guess what? What kills the economies around the world is a strong dollar, you know. So, and the way trade flows are going and the way recessionary action is, it's just going to make the dollar stronger and stronger and stronger. So it's going to be really interesting to watch how this plays out over the next 18 months. But that's my play right now. Now, I know I'm wrong. If we get above, if I wake up tomorrow and we're above 27.31, 32, and we didn't have a dip overnight down to this level here, or even to the VWAP, then I know they're just going to start racing this thing. But I may not know until after 7 a.m. Pacific time tomorrow, because that's tending what they do when they want to head fake you short. They'll run it up till the first half hour close of the regular trading hours, then dump it. We saw a little bit of that on Tuesday. So that's that. And then just flipping on to some stocks here. Here's some of the trades that we took today. We jumped into OMER, and it was a nice bounce off the VWAP. And you know, and that's what I look for. Is I look for money coming back into stock when it's above its moving average here of its average price of volume, and that means institutional money is coming back in again. And there's some nice areas to look at here. So you're looking at maybe 22, and then Dare to Dream is up here at 25. But it had a huge move, and it consolidated without blasting back through VWAP. So that's an interesting play for us. And we also jumped in FCX today, and same reason. So I had a buy signal on my system. It was another consolidation above VWAP. In fact, it didn't even change the trend dots for me. So this is really powerful move. And then I'm looking for at least a move to here, if not higher. If we look back further, resistance is not even, I don't even really, maybe this is resistance here. And then after that, there's a gap fill here that we'd be looking at. So that's that. And just a quick spin here. We're things finished is the other one that has not yet. Everything we've owned right now and everything we're up on, except for Roku, and so we bought it on Tuesday, and it's been digesting that news. But to me, this looks like a bull flag. And if I flip to a daily here, is that, look at this beautiful rounded bottom here. It's breaking up over the VWAP. Okay, but if you really zoom in, that sure looks like a bull flag to me, and it's a high consolidating bull flag too. So it's not even, every time it gets inside this candle, it's getting bought up. So I'm waiting for this thing just to explode here. So that's why I'm in it. And look at this gap fill. Okay, so it's worth it to me to just sit on this thing for a while. I mean, I'm literally down 55 cents on it. So there you go. That potential $8-9 move here, and you know, you can call this some sort of kind of cup handle into the cup here, but so 44.50 to 49 areas is my area of interest, and then looking at the miners today, you know, GDX started to get some legs too. And this is a daily again. It's trying to push back up over VWAP, but it's really been consolidating here. And look on the 2-hour or the hourly, whatever, you'll see that it's already consolidating right underneath it here as well. So, but I'm bullish on the silver miners. I think that's the asset that's going to really go. It's been the one that's been held back the most, and I think it's going to rock and roll. So anyway, if you want to trade with us, we're doing very well. Doing well on the binary option side and doing well on the crypto side. So, you know, everything we do is, it has a mathematical or probability base to it. And, you know, when you lose, you don't lose much. And when you win, you can win a lot. So look forward to trading with us. And check us out at TradeGeniusAcademy.com. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.